Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I created this faux lock look. To create this look, I'm going to be using hair from Dorsanee, and the hair that I got was 18 inches new Faux Locs Crochet and in the color 1B. So each of this package comes with 7 packages, and 7 packages of hair will help create a full look of the hairstyle. So it also comes with this crochet needle and also this hair accessory. So it comes in a ring like this. So this is about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, so about 16 17 give or take, and it's really soft. This is soft individual, well done. It's not frizzy at all. I like Dorsanee brand because their brand always has good soft, good quality hair. The crochet is pre-looped and the loop is expandable, and you can see because sometimes you buy this hair and some of them the loops will be so tiny you can't even get the hair through it. It doesn't itch the skin, so sometimes when you get faux locks like this, some people will have irritation. This is very skin friendly, and I like that it's very soft, very light. So let's start installing it. And one more thing, you can wash it, so they're washable, and after washing they go back, and when you expand them they can actually expand up to 28 inches, 36 inches, even 20. You know, it can go expand so much, but this size that we got is 18 inches. Okay, so now we're gonna start installing, and this is the braid pattern that we came up with for our thick hair. So now to install, it's so simple. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this, and using the crochet needle, I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna put it through like that, and you're just gonna connect it. Now the crochet here, the hole is so good that it doesn't tangle, and you can just put it in the end like this and pull it through. With some crochet here it will get snagged right here, but this is a really good crochet here that Dorsanee makes. So you can see now there's no bunching, there's no issues appearing over there, and I love that this crochet here doesn't freeze up, so you don't have that problem with it freezing up at all. So you're gonna take the next one underneath this section again, and we're gonna loop it through, hook that in, and then just connect the ends of it, and it's so well done. And then just pull it through. Once you pull it through, you can take your end and just pull this through, and this is what it looks like. You can see it curls up, and it's really nice. So we're gonna install the rest and then come back and show you.
It feels so light and comfortable. It feels like I don't even have anything on.
Very light, and if you guys want to check out Dorsanee, you'll join their Facebook group. I'm going to put all the details for this here in the description area. You'll have a chance to win hair, so join their Facebook group, and this is what it looks like over here. And also you'll check out the link of where to find this beautiful hair. It's so beautiful. I can't stop touching it. Do you like it?
I love it.
You love it? Yeah. So it's really pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.
Bye.